Okay, let's start this. Hello guys and welcome back to another video. In this video we're going to discuss about the iOS 16.4 but running on an iPhone 12. So how you guys know, iOS 16.4 was just released, right? And we have some really good improvements. We're going to talk about the improvement first. The biggest improvement that we're going to see is the battery life. So I'll give you an example. I use my phone for everything. Making pictures, recording, etc. Literally everything, texting and stuff like that. I listen to a lot of music from my phone, and I wake up about 8 o'clock, 7 o'clock ish, depending on the day. In the weekend, about 8 o'clock. In the week, about 7 o'clock, as I have to take the kids to school, and I take the phone from charging. Right, I put the phone back to charge about half 9, 10 in the night, and I normally have about 10-15% of battery. Right now, with the same usage that I'm getting, I literally have almost 30% battery when I'm putting the phone on charge. So 16.4, the battery is amazing. I will literally recommend you guys to update. It's the only update that I will say go and update straight away. You also get some features right now. So let's explore the features. So the first feature, if you go to settings, you go into motion, and you have this option called dim flashing light. Now what this does is, if I'm going to YouTube and I'm watching this video over here, right? Let's go like this. If I go into settings, if you're watching here, it will literally dim it a little bit. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but here you go. It will dim the light a little bit so it doesn't affect your eyes. This is more like in the night and stuff like that, you know, watching a clip in the night and then something bright comes into your face. It's not good. So it will dim the light to help you guys stay healthy. I love this one. So if you go into settings and you go to your iCloud, so let me just go into your account, you click on iCloud. If you scroll down on the bottom right now, you have access iCloud data on the web. So you can access all the information from your phone right now on iCloud.com. While this might not be as helpful, if you think about it, it's very helpful because you have multiple things. So the first one, it will be if you lose your phone and stuff like that, you still have access to your contacts, you still have access to everything from the web and stuff like that. So I think it's a really good idea to have. Besides, I don't know if it happens to you, but for me, I'm swapping a lot between Android and iPhone, and sometimes I have a contact that I needed in my iPhone, and then I don't have my iPhone with me, so I just go on iCloud.com, trying to see the contact and wasn't able to see it. So now you have the option to actually see all your data, everything from your phone, and see it on iCloud. And now the last one, which is my favorite one. If you go into settings, you go to accessibility, you go to touch, and you scroll down to prevent lock to end call. Now what this is, remember when you get a phone call and then you press the lock button and it will end the call rather than just turn off the screen or stuff like that? Well, this is what this thing is doing. It will literally, once you click it, it will prevent you to close the phone using the lock screen button. So you have to press the button, the red button, to actually close it. So yeah, this is the features that I consider useful. But yes, I will fully recommend you guys to go update to iOS 16.4, not for the features, but for the battery life. The battery life, it's amazing. It literally makes me love my iPhone right now more than my Pixel. And it takes a lot for me to say this, but at the moment, the battery on this iPhone, it's amazing. And it's an iPhone 12. And to make it even worse, my battery is not 100%. My battery is 86%. And it's still better than my Pixel. So I will literally recommend you guys to go and update. Thank you very much for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.